What's up guys, we are back at it again with another video. Today we're going to be working on the stainless steel lines, actually getting them bled from the last video. Also, we're going to be putting on the handbrake assembly to get the handbrake done. Now, in the last video I said I needed some help on the stainless steel lines, so I have a special guest for the first time in this series.
Woo!
Justin is back.
Long time no see. Damn, it's been a while.
So he's going to help me out. He also got some brand new tools today, so he's super excited about that. That's kind of part of the reason he came over here, because he wants to test out his new tools.
Yeah.
So,
Stubby Impact 3/8 from Milwaukee. Pretty awesome tool so far. I like it.
he likes his tools. Anyways, we're going to get to it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and let us know if you guys have any questions in the comments down below. Yes. Where's that Allen? Okay, let me borrow it. So a fair warning, I was basically taking this caliper bracket apart, the stock one. There's this little piece that sticks out, it's like a pivot point. Basically I thought it would loosen there because there's like a bolt, but it doesn't. So I didn't know this. Justin looked it up online. You basically take an Allen key and put it at the end, and there's a small Allen key portion. I didn't see it because there was grease in there, so I was literally about to take vice grips. Justin begged me not to. I'm glad he did. So fair warning for you guys, there's an Allen key right there. Damn it! I am such an idiot. Sorry, I don't know. Let me adjust the camera. So for all you beginner stunners out there, this is the way that you need to run it. So you can always make it a little different, but you need to have the clutch mounted here and then the handbrake beside it. That way the handbrake, you can always move it over a little bit, but you need the clutch here. What are you doing, Justin? What are you doing? You dickhead. It matches. It does kind of match. All right guys, so we got the bracket put all together, and then we went ahead and ran all the stainless steel lines, and they look really good. Also, I really like the blue. I was wondering how I was gonna like the blue. I definitely like it a lot. It looks really good, really happy with it. So the next step is we're gonna need to bleed the brakes. If you guys need to know how to bleed brakes, we have a video from before. We'll put it up in the card up above if you guys need to know how to do that. But we're gonna go ahead and bleed the brakes. It is hours later. We have TV out here, thank goodness. We watched TV, we watched American Pickers, and we tried to get the rear brake to work. It doesn't work. So, if you should learn anything from this episode, it is that you should not work on brakes without a trained professional.
Every time we do brakes.
I know.
Every time. Except when when we work on my brakes. My brakes always work.
We'll make this work.
It's a piece of crap. Feels the Z and be working.
That ain't going in the video.
Put it in the video.
No.
That's gonna be the thing now. Well, if you wouldn't have that issue if you had the Z.
You wouldn't have that issue if you still had the Z. Everybody's gonna be commenting that now.